Okay, so Saurabh, thanks a lot. You gave me your time this morning.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay, so Saurabh, let me record your final selection in MTech course in prestigious IIT Bombay in MMM department, and that stands for Manufacturing Modeling Material. Though mathematics is also included in that, but that is how it is pronounced. That is MMM department. And you are a mechanical engineer, Saurabh, and this department is relevant for mechanical production, metallurgy, material science students. So I will be discussing with you related to this entire department and your selection. So first, a brief introduction from your side, like from where you are, when did you graduate, from which college you graduated, and when did you write your GATE and GATE score and CGPA and your category. This brief
Yes, sir.
introduction.
Okay, sir. I am Saurabh Singh and I stay in Mumbai, Maharashtra. And I have graduated in the year of 2020 and my CGPA was 9.41, which is equivalent to 81.63 percentage as compared to what formulas given by university. And first time I wrote a GATE in the year of 2020, but unfortunately my GATE score was not up to the mark. I've got 12,000 rank in the first attempt,
What was the
but
score?
score was I think 470. I think so,
Okay,
473,
okay,
470.
okay.
Uh, then I decided to took a break and later write again because I believe on myself that I can get a good marks in the second attempt. So I decided to self prepare this time and I wrote again in the year of 2021. And this time I got All India rank 473 and my GATE score is 812.
So you converted your GATE score of 2020 into All India rank of
Yes,
2021.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's great. Okay. Okay, great, Saurabh.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so on the now, what is your category, Saurabh?
My category is general EWS.
Okay, Saurabh. So with 812 GATE score, I'm sure you would have got call from NITI Bombay and all. So did you
Yes, sir.
apply?
I've got NITI Bombay as well, but unfortunately, my interview was not good at that time. Maybe
Okay.
I don't know
Okay.
what was happened at that moment. I was sure that I will get NITI, but not it didn't got the NITI
Okay,
Bombay.
not a problem. So Saurabh, now please tell me, your CGPA is such a wonderful, I mean, 9 plus CGPA you have and
Yes,
812. There is a perfect combination for MS anywhere in India. Did you apply in MS courses?
sir. Actually, I was not interested in the MS courses
MS.
at that moment. Yes, and I was not having a much knowledge about what is MS courses and
Okay,
at that moment.
okay,
But later, at this moment, actually, I am regretting that I should apply in the MS courses as well.
okay.
But I didn't
So,
apply that.
okay. Saurabh, now tell me, let's go to COAP round. Since you applied
Okay.
only for MTech, so let's go to
Yes.
COAP round. And please tell us, like, first round, mein, what did you get? Second round, mein, what did you get? So on and so forth.
Okay.
Yeah.
In the first round, I got a call from IIT Madras in the thermal department,
Okay.
and the sec in and the second round, I got from IIT Kanpur a design department.
Okay.
But I have bit sure that I don't want to go in the thermal and core subject because I want some subject like industrial engineering, MMM department, and in the third round of the COP, I have got dynamic and control in aerospace in IIT Bombay.
Okay.
Then I've freeze that at that moment in the IIT Bombay. Later on, there are some internal upgradation in the IIT Bombay is going on. Like
Okay.
if you have freeze in the IIT Bombay seats,
Hmm.
still you will get a chance to upgrade an internal upgradation in the next stages.
That's true.
So I have heard that dynamic and control and system and control, these departments are very much useful when you are from different background. Like
Okay.
these are automation and robotics department, and you get a wonderful opportunity if you are such a prestigious institute.
Hmm.
And I've also heard that thermal branch, manufacturing branch, and design branch in this corona period, they didn't got much opportunity in the placement as well.
Hmm.
Whereas such other department like MMM and industrial engineering and energy science department and dynamic and control and system and
Yes.
control department, these
Yes.
have got a wonderful opportunity.
Hmm.
So I switched. I have later decided that I should switch this from core to some such other department where I get opportunity to learn non-core as well plus
Yeah,
core as
I
well.
can call it hybrid branches.
Yes, hybrid branches.
Hmm.
Sir, if you see in the future, this
Understood.
department have much scope.
Mm. No, that is also true because when we see the research going on in the global universities,
Mhm,
like
mhm.
Europe and US universities, what I am finding also is like there's a hybrid model coming up, like
Mhm.
core ka knowledge and non-core ka
Non-core
technology.
knowledge. Yes.
So they are using like artificial intelligence in chemical engineering, something like that.
Yes.
They're using artificial intelligence in construction technology.
Mhm.
IIT Hyderabad, Triple IT Hyderabad, they are coming out with these departments now. Not only or
Yes, yes.
like civil engineers के लिए structure नहीं चाहिए,
Why?
structure में artificial intelligence चाहिए, right?
Sir, in the MM department, like mathematics, we have also have machine learning also and data
Okay,
statics.
okay,
So I've got fascinated that wow, that they have also this
they've
department
got this.
included. So
Hmm.
yes, so
Okay,
then I've
so
decided
in
to go
which
for
round then
this.
you got sort of this triple M?
Triple M, sir, I got in the round A.
A round, huh? So you kept
Yeah.
on taking the risk.
Yes, actually, not as a risk because you didn't get a chance to automate IIT Bombay. What
अच्छा,
they do
understood, understood.
automatically internal upgradation. You
तो
don't have
रिस्क
a
नहीं
right
था, मतलब उन्होंने आपको ऑप्शन दे
हाँ,
दिया.
option दे दिया कि you have got chance to get a upgradation. So I've
लेकिन
decided to
मेरे
go
को एक
for it.
बात बताओ कि अभी आपको इसको आपने फ्रीज कर लिया. So
Mhm.
round B is there, round C is there. So is IIT Bombay going to internally upgrade more also, or this is final now?
Sir, I think round C has ended, and now no other round. So this is final for me
This is
now.
final for you now. Okay.
Yes.
Now, sort of tell me, like industrial engineering, you tried in NITI Bombay also, and now you were interested in industrial engineering. Now, if I ask you, there are so many industrial engineering courses all over India, including IEOR, and then IIT Kanpur, and then IIC Bangalore Master of Management, then DOMS in
Yes.
IIT Madras. So, did
Yes.
you try in all these departments?
Yes, sir, I have tried in many departments. I see Bangalore, I have also filled the form, but unfortunately, my score was not up to 820, and my score was 8112.
Okay.
And IIT Kanpur, I've also applied industrial engineering, but the last score was 830.
Hmm.
The
और
the
ये
one
आईआईटी
one
बॉम्बे
super
में
star.
आईईआर में क्या गया होगा? Any idea about that?
IOR, sir, IOR, sorry.
Yeah.
IOR, sir, actually is a huge craze in the student. I don't know why. Because the cutoff was such a high, sir. In the IIT Bombay, the cutoff is 854 for
हम्म.
general and AWS category.
एक्चुअली
So,
रीजन ये है कि एक तो बॉम्बे का वैसे ही क्रेज है, और
हाँ,
दूसरा इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग का आजकल क्रेज, अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट्स है ना. इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग इज ओपन फॉर ऑल द ब्रांचेस,
all the branches, of course.
सो दैट इज अ
So,
रीजन देयर इज अ क्रेज फॉर दैट.
in the previous cutoff, I've also searched that may I have got chance in IIT Delhi because in the 2020 year, so the cutoff was 725, 750 last gate score. So I applied in IIT Delhi as well. But this time IIT Delhi comes in the second round and the cutoff was still high. Mainly I didn't got call from industrial engineering whose score was 830, 840, and still they are means they are running.
Okay, Saurabh, now let me ask you one more question here related to this entire process. See, this triple M, manufacturing modeling material department, very less students are aware about this department. So I want you to
Yes.
tell us more about this department.
So this department actually was come in the year I think 2016 or 17. I still not aware actually at the behind idea. And the MM department is manufacturing, modeling, and materials. So this is a combined from mechanical engineering plus material engineering. 3 years handled by material science department, and the 3 years handled by the mechanical engineering department.
Okay.
Like from this year, this branch will going to be handled by mechanical engineer department. So all the courses and all the curriculums will be handled by mechanical engineering department. So in the subjects, if you talk about like in the first semester, I have got the news that two subject department, one is mathematics, one is mathematics, second is communication skill. So it's combined all like mechanical engineering. You get opportunity to choose design or thermal in the material same as well. So this is how we.
Okay, so you were also telling that there is some kind of scope for learning artificial intelligence, etc., in this department. So that is a part of curriculum.
Yes, the mathematics department, like mathematics as a subject. So we get opportunity to learn machine learning as well. They have included in this course curriculum.
Okay. And sort of tell me something about the placement scenario of this department, if you know about this.
Okay, sir, I know. In the recent 2020 years, there was a batch of 8 students. So out of 8, 7 got placed, and one is he was interested in the PhD, so he got abroad. And all the 7 got placed in a very good company, sir. Two got placement in the abroad like Japan. One got in Taiwan, and all others got many got in the core like design, and many got non-core as well. And the highest package, I think, so in the Japan they got 35 lakhs, in the Taiwan they got 25, and India, if I talk about, I have heard that the one student got 18 lakhs placement, 18 lakh package in the Pune.
So can we say average package is around 15 or something? That looks like.
Yes, sir, absolutely.
Hmm.
Much
So,
more than that, I can say that.
so you said only 8 students were there?
Earlier, now the batch has increased up to 11.
Now 11 students, huh? You people are 11.
11 students. 11, yes.
Okay, and surely you will get very good placement. So placement is not a trouble, right, Saurabh?
Placement is not a trouble. In IIT Bombay, I think every branch has a good placement if you work hard.
Yeah. So Saurabh, tell me one thing. Like there is MS also in this department, Triple M department.
I have not actually, no, sir. I think I don't know, but I don't think so. There is a MS department in this FMM course.
Okay. So anyhow, Saurabh, once you join this department, within 6 months, I'm again going to interact with you to know more about this department. It looks like
Yes,
a great
sir.
department with very less knowledge to students. And
Yes,
you know,
sir.
your
Actually,
PDF, yeah,
Actually, while filling the form, I also don't aware this department. So
yeah.
I've searched on YouTube what is this department, and the last day, I think so 16 April was the last day. I still remember that the form filling was last day, and I edited this form and I placed it courses in my all the list in the when I was filling the form of IIT Bombay.
Okay,
I was still not aware about this department.
yeah.
And you will be surprised, sir. I have got 4 students who is in mechanical department. Their score was bit high from my score. Still, they
Okay.
have chosen a triple M department.
Yeah.
One student whose score was 813 and other was 819, and my was 812 and 809. So all the students from 800 score who joined this department.
No, this department looks like great. I'm telling you, know, this department looks like
Yes.
great. People are not aware about this. But now let's see.
Yes.
Please provide me the information once you join this department. Provide me more
Of course,
information
sir,
so
of course.
that we spread this information to students for their benefit. Right, Saurabh?
Of course, of course, of course. Of
Thanks a
course.
lot, Saurabh, for your time you have given to me today.
Thank you so much, sir. I'm following your YouTube channel from last 1 year, and I always wanted to be here to give an interview in front of you. And today my dream has completed. I think so.
No, thanks a lot. We will proceed ahead and ट्रिपल एम डिपार्टमेंट का सारा इंफॉर्मेशन मैं आपसे लूंगा और अगले
Thank you,
साल
yes, sir.
एडमिशन तक बच्चों को ट्रिपल एम डिपार्टमेंट का हम सब कुछ बताएंगे so that they
Yes,
go
yes,
there
sir.
well prepared and this department gets the I mean more students also are mentored from by this department 8, 11 and maybe more students next year so that they get benefited. Right, Saurabh?
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.